Okay, so here they are. Hey guys, it's me, J-Choice Tibbets. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome in the first place, and if it's not, welcome back. Today we are doing another unboxing, and it's of an item that I didn't think I'd ever really get. With something I was never really like that interested in getting, but it is Jordans. So I got the box and I was all excited about unboxing it on like first impressions on this video, but then I realized like I can't wait, so I am going to input a video of me opening them when I first got them. So here we go. Okay, so I'm here on the floor because I got my new shoes and I like wanted to wait and do a true first impressions. I already put like a video of me taking them out the big box on my Instagram. Look right here. And I was like, I'm so committed I haven't even looked at them yet because I want to do a true first impressions, but like I can't wait. So I'm like, okay, let me at least do it like a first impressions on my phone. So we're on my phone and we're going to unbox my first Jordans. Okay, so here they are. Can you back up? I got them off StockX. Not sponsored, but hey, StockX, you want to sponsor me? Go ahead.
Sponsor Jay.
Ooh. I really hope these fit.
It's Jayden and Jordan, guys.
This is literally me if I was a Jordan. Like, this color is so me. These are good. These are good. Please fit. Please fit. I like have forced myself not to really look too much since I did that last video because I wanted to like just like really get like a really closer look in this video, but wow. Whoa! This is like, honestly, if you were to put me into like a shoe, like all my aesthetics and colors, it would definitely be these. So these are the, let me make sure I'm getting the name right. These are the Jordan 1 Retro High Black Mushroom sneakers. They only come in women's sizes, so it's a women's shoe, and I got it in a size 10 US. And let me tell you, I had to do so much research to figure out like what size to get because it was kind of hard to figure out how to convert the women's and men's sizes. But I ended up getting the 10. They fit. There's like a little bit, there's room in the toe, but the shoe, I think it's because it's a woman's, is a bit more narrow. I usually wear like a 42 Italian men's and like which is like a 9.5 US, and I did some conversions on this. It said to get this one, but maybe I probably would have gone with a 10.5 if I would have known how they fit. It was just because like they're super narrow. Yeah, this is it. So it's a tan, black, like cream, and then like this clear sole colorway, and it has this like iridescent purple, blue, like unicorn situation right here on the front lace, which is kind of cool. At first I was like, oh, I don't know, do I like this? But actually, like, I think it's actually kind of cool, and I think I'll keep it. Because I was thinking about maybe taking it off. I don't really want to take it off though, because I feel like that's such a like statement part of Jordans. But yeah, so let's talk a little bit about how these came about, how I got them, and all the rest. So this, I wasn't even planning on buying these. I was on a FaceTime with my best friend Raya, and she like just mentioned Jordans, and I was like, oh, like you should definitely get a pair of Jordans. Like I've been seeing so many awesome pictures on Instagram of people styling their Jordans in like super cool ways. There's some people who I follow, like Black Dope, who else? I'll include some of them, some pictures here of people that I follow who like are always styling their Jordans super cool. And I've been kind of thinking like, should I get a pair? Shouldn't I get a pair? And so I ended up going on StockX, which is where I got these guys. And so I was on StockX just kind of like browsing through, and there was a men's colorway. It was like a blue and white, I forget the name, that was coming out like that day or the next day, and I was like, oh, should I get those? But then I was just kind of kept browsing and I saw these ones. And so I was like, ooh, this color is amazing. So I ended up seeing these and also the pandas, which are like all black and white. And those are really cool too, but I'd seen too many people that had those colors already, and like I'd never seen anyone with this colorway, and so I kind of wanted to have something that wasn't like all over the internet already. And I kind of like went back and forth like, wait, should I get them? Should I get them? The funny thing is that like during this FaceTime with my friend, she was like, wait, wasn't I the one talking about getting Jordans, and now you literally have some in your cart? Because that's typically what happens, because you know, when you're a shopaholic like as myself. I love new pieces, and I wanted to add this one to my collection, so you know. I was on StockX, so a little bit about StockX, not sponsored or anything, but I've always kind of browsed on StockX. I think I love like the business model and I think it's super cool, but I've never actually purchased anything from them. I do the raffles a lot. They do these raffles where like sometimes they'll give like really hot pieces away for like $1. You just like submit $1 bid, and then you might be picked to get that item. So I do that all the time, but I've never won. And so I went on to StockX and I saw these. I think the price I paid was $245, and I believe that like the lowest bid was like $220. So I could have bid like $225, but how StockX works is that it's kind of like eBay where like you can bid and then the person who's selling them can either accept the bid or not, and then it's based off of like the market rate of like what sold in the past. And so because there wasn't such a huge discrepancy, it was $20 from like me bidding, maybe getting it, maybe not having to wait, or just paying the full price, $245, and then having it shipped to me instantly. And so I was like, I wanted them like now. So I decided to do these just by like buying them up front and not bidding. You can bid, which is a cool thing about StockX. And it came really fast too, which is something that I was kind of surprised by. So I'll definitely be looking into StockX for other purchases in the future. But yeah, so these are these babies. And then also I've like put together 3 looks on how I'd wear these, because they are kind of a different type of style shoe for me. Like I used to wear high tops like this all the time. If you've watched my like full shoe collection video, some really old shoes I have from like back when I was like in high school, they were like this style. But I don't really buy shoes like this shape, like this high top ankle shape anymore. And my style's evolved, of course, since high school. So I was like, how do I style these? So I put together 3 looks that I think are actually pretty cool. And I want to show you guys those 2, just kind of see how I put these together. And so the first one is actually what I'm wearing right now. So it is this Acne Studios beige top. And actually the color is really similar to the beige that's on the shoes, and I have it under a Paris jacket, which is kind of like this oversized boxy blazer. And then I have on these black capris, which are like, it's like a linen material, really great for summer. And I have on the Jordans, which I think are really cool. So it's kind of like a street but smart kind of look, which I really like. The second is one of my favorites because I just got these pants. They're from GmbH. They're a vinyl pant. Oh, I freaking love vinyl right now. It's super big trend for the spring, summer. And so they're in like this kind of green, like khaki color. And so I have those on with this beige top that I got from Opening Ceremony. I forgot the actual brand, but like always, everything will be linked in the description. So I have that tucked in, and then with my Junior Watanabe cap. And these pants are so cool because they're super high-waisted. So I think wearing like a shirt like this and with like long sleeves, maybe either rolling it up or keeping them all the way down, gives like you like a really cool shape, and it makes like your legs like super long, which I like. So I have that paired with these bad boys here. The third and final look is a simple cropped high-waisted denim with the Jordans, and I have that on with like this oversized brown with a black pocket shirt, and actually the colors match the shoes perfectly. And then I have that over like this vintage leather jacket that I got off of Depop. And so I'll try to include everything in the description like I mentioned, but if things aren't there anymore, I'll either put sold out, and I'll try to put a similar item in there too, so you guys can try and shop that. But yeah, these are my brand new Jordan. Very exciting. Someone told me that like once you get your first pair, you're kind of obsessed. And I kind of feel that because I'm like putting together this kind of shoe and like styling this is like really kind of different for me. And it's kind of like a styling challenge, but like I like it. And I think it's like one of those shoes that it can look like super like high fashion, even though it's like a very like street style shoe. And it can really be dressed up and dressed down, which I really like. And I just love this colorway. I've never seen a colorway like this before. Yeah, that is my little unboxing. Let me know what you guys think of Jordans and the color I got in the comments below. And let me know any other video ideas you have too in the comments. I'm trying to do some more videos over the weekends now. Trying to film a few so I can get more out each month. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. As always, follow me on Instagram too at jtibbets. I've been posting a lot more just like look photos, which I've been having a lot of fun doing. So follow me on there, and I will see you guys on the next video.